Welcome to Solidworks tutorial. In this video, we will see the basic user interface tour of Solidworks software. So this is the start screen of Solidworks. Whenever you start the Solidworks, you will see the screen like this. Here you will find the welcome screen. In this welcome window, you have options for part, assembly and drawing templates. You can open the model from this open options. We have recent documents listed over here. To demonstrate the user interface, we will use this model in this video. So let me open this model. I will click on this model and it will load the model for us. So our model is loaded. So you might feel overwhelming with this all the options on the screen, but don't worry, you don't need to worry about these options right now. We'll take care all the options one by one in the upcoming tutorials. So for today, what I want to show you the various sections of this user interface. So one by one I will explain this all the tab and the sections on the screen. On the top you can see there is a file, edit, view, insert tool, windows. This is called menu bar. Next to this we have a quick access icon where we have options for home, new, open, save, print and file property options, rebuilds, all of these options available in this quick access icon. Below of that menu bar we have our command manager. This area is called command manager. In this command manager we have different types of tabs available like features, sketch, direct editing, evaluate. Also we can add more tab. Just we will keep our cursor here and right click and then go to tabs and select the whatever options you want. Let's say we'll select sheet metal, so it will enable us the sheet metal tab with sheet metal features. So this way we can enable more tab. To disable this tab we will simply right click over here, go to tab and untick these options and it will disable this tab. Right now in the initial tutorial we will mostly use these features and sketch. This two tab is mostly used in our work. On the left side we have feature manager. In this feature manager tab we have feature manager design tree, then we have property manager tabs, then we have configurations manager tabs, then we have dimension expert manager tab, and then we have a display manager. So all the managers is located on the left sides. So most of the time we will working with this feature manager design tree and this property managers. In the feature design tree we have our plane located here, front, top and right planes, and all the features which we will use to make our parts is located here, and all the sketches, whatever sketches we created is located in the feature manager design tree. How to work with this feature manager we will see in the upcoming tutorials. This area is called graphics area, in which we can see our models created like this. You can see on the screen. This graphics area will display our actual models, whatever we create. And on top of this we have a few heads up icons, and on the right hand side we have these tabs. In this we have design library tab, which design library tab is include our toolbox. In this toolbox we have our standards components like let's say we can see here we have bolts, screw, bearing, nuts, o-rings, power transmissions, gears, washers. All the standard parts which available directly in the market is located over here in the toolbox. So we can use this part to make our designs quickly. So this is the design library box.